Pleasant good day, ELC. It is I, Mr. Thompson, and I'm so happy to be here in front of you once again for another wonderful music lesson. And before we begin our lesson of the day, let's just get ourselves ready to sing our time for music, clap our hands. And remember, the whole purpose of us singing this song is for us to get in the practice of counting those beats nice and steadily. The more times that we do this, the more time that we practice clapping our hands, the more times that we practice stomping our feet, the more practice that we get in doing these activities, the better off we'll be as young musicians. Alright, so what we'll do is I'm going to start the clip off, and I want to see everyone doing the actions, and you can sing along with the song as well. Here we go. Let's get ready. Alright, here we go. Time for music. Time for music. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. So clap with me. You don't have to sing the song, but just make sure that you're clapping with me. And clap. And clap. And each time that I'm clapping is we're patting those beats. Now pat and pat. And pat your knees with me. And pat and pat. Come on, y'all, get into it. And pat. Time for music, tap your toes. Let me see those little toes tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, and tap. 2, 3, 4, and tap. And tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. Time for music, flap those arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We're tapping, we're flapping to the beat. And flap, 2, 3, 4, and flap, 2, 3, and 4. And play that drum. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and play. And play, and play, and play, and play. Time for music, sing out loud. Sing out loud. Sing out loud, sing aloud with me. Good job, phase 1. And now we're going to get into the action and the topic of the day. Now, the topic of the day, phase 1, is we're going to be talking about short sounds and long sounds. Can everybody say short sounds? Okay. Now, can everyone say long sounds? I want you to stretch out that word long for me. Everyone say long sounds. Actually, let's make it a little bit longer. Let me see how long I can hold the word long. Okay, long. So I held the word long for 8 beats, but I don't want you to get caught up in that. I just want you to say the word long. Say the word long for me, please. Long. Good job. That was perfect. Now say the word short. Yes. So we're going to be talking about short sounds and long sounds. All right, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you. I'm going to sing for you a short sound, and then afterwards I'm going to sing you a long sound, and then I would like for you to try sing those short sounds and long sounds. Now the song or the syllable that I'm going to say is going to be the syllable of do. So just say the word do for me, please. Say do. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to sing it, and this is going to be an example of a short sound. Here we go. Do. I said it. Now I'm going to sing it. Do. All right, I'm going to sing it 2 more times. Do. All right, let's make it a little bit shorter. Do. I'll do it 2 more times. Do. Last time. Do. Now here is a long sound of the word syllable do. Do. Okay? Now I'm going to do that 2 more times for you, and then afterwards we're going to try that. Here is the long syllable of do. Do. Okay? Last time. Do. Now I want you to get your singing voices ready because that was Mr. Thompson's singing voice, and I want to hear your singing voice. On the count of 3, I want you to sing a short syllable of do. I'm going to do it first for you, then you all will do it secondly after me. Just so you can hear it and so you can understand what it is that you're supposed to be singing. Alright, so I'm going to say it first on the count of 3, then you guys will follow after me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do. Now your turn. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's do this 2 more times. Remember, practice, practice, practice. I'm going to go first and then you all will go second. 1, 2, 3. Do. Now your turn after 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. I hear some of you are getting it. Okay. Now my turn again. 1, 2, 3. Do. Now your turn. 1, 2, 3. Great job, phase 1. Awesome. Now let's move on to those long sounds. Alright, so on the count of 3, I'm going to sing a long sound of do, and for me to sing that long sound, I'm going to take a deep breath because I really want that note that I'm singing, or that sound that I'm singing, I want it to be pretty long. Now for those shorter notes, you don't really need too much of air because it's only going to be a short note. But for these longer notes, we're going to need to take a little deep breath just to sing those longer notes. Alright, so here we go. On the count of 3, I'll go. And I'm going to take my breath as well. 1, 2, 3. Do. That was pretty good. Now I'm going to do that one more time, and then I want you all to do it after me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do. Right? Now you try. Make sure you take a deep breath though. Here we go on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Not too much, not too much. Good job, guys. Let's do this one more time. We're going to do it together. And let's see if we can hold it for 5 beats. Remember, how we're counting 5 beats is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the 5th beat, we're going to stop. Okay? Here we go. We're going to do it together. 1, 2, 3. Do. Good job. Give yourselves a nice round of applause. That was awesome. Alright, so that's our short and our long songs, long sounds. And remember that for next class was because we're going to do some more with that for next week. Now let's get on with the activity for the day. Now this song that we're about to move to, remember, we're moving to the beat of the song. Okay, and this is one of my favorite songs, and it goes like, it's called Shake and Shake and Shake It Together, and shake and shake and shake it together, and shake and shake and shake it together. And now the beat of that song, if you couldn't feel it, it went like this: shake and shake and shake it together, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 down, bum 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 bum. So what we're going to do is we're going to move to that beat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand up, and I need all of you standing, and because we're going to get ready to dance to that song. Let me just make sure that I'm standing a little bit back so you guys can see me. Alright, so here we go. And I just want you to shake your bodies, and let's just move to the music. Here we go. Okay, and move. And left and right, and shake and shake and shake it together, and shake and shake and shake it together, and shake and shake and shake it together. Everybody shake and shake and do 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 do. Good job. And jump and jump and jump it together, and jump and jump and jump it together. Oh boy. Jump and jump and jump it together. Everybody jump. Now do 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 do. Make sure you're duping to those beats. And good. And twist and twist. And twist it together and twist and twist. Come on, y'all. Let me see y'all twist. And twist and twist. And twist it together. Everybody twist. And do 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 do. Good job. Hop and hop it together. And hop and hop and hop it together. And hop and hop and hop it together. Everybody hop. Do 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 do. Ba do do do. Ba do 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 do. All right. And so that is our lesson for today. And remember, we talked about short and long sounds. And can anyone do a short sound for me? Okay, and if you did this, remember we used the syllable do. That's going to be our syllable for the whole entire time, okay? So do, and this is your short sound. Do. And now that I did the short sound, can you do a long sound for me using the syllable do? Now if you did do, that's pretty good. And until next time, phase 1, I'm going to see